Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for UI/UX. Notion is an incredibly versatile workspace that can transform your design process. It acts as a central hub for all your UI/UX activities, from initial research to final handoff. You can consolidate documentation, manage tasks, and foster collaboration, ensuring everyone is aligned. This guide will show you how to leverage Notion's powerful features to streamline your design workflow and enhance team productivity, making your design journey more efficient and organized. For the crucial research and discovery phase, Notion is an excellent tool. You can set up databases to meticulously record user interviews, competitor analyses, and usability test results. Imagine having all your user personas, empathy maps, and journey flows neatly organized and easily accessible. This ensures that every design decision is backed by solid research, providing a strong foundation for your projects. It helps maintain a clear connection between your insights and your design outputs. Notion excels as a single source of truth for your design system. You can meticulously document every component, from buttons to complex modules, along with their usage guidelines. This includes defining typography, color palettes, and spacing rules, ensuring a cohesive visual language across all your products. Having a well-documented design system in Notion significantly reduces design debt and improves communication between design and development teams, leading to more consistent and efficient product delivery. Finally, Notion is a powerful platform for project management and collaboration. You can organize your design sprints, assign tasks, and track progress using Kanban boards or timeline views. Gathering feedback is streamlined with comments and mentions, ensuring all stakeholders are heard. Real-time collaboration means your team can work together efficiently, regardless of location. Notion helps you maintain a clear overview of your project's status, ensuring deadlines are met and communication remains open throughout the entire design lifecycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.